Hello, Sundari. Today we're going to be trying out the Mamaearth Cocoa Tinted 100% Natural Lip Balm. This is what the packaging looks like. It's almost like leaves from the inside. I end up getting the color in cocoa. What it looks like, it's a twist up tube. This is what the color looks like on one swipe, on two swipes, and on four swipes. I just wanted you guys to see how dark the color is. So you can see the sort of color difference between the amount of swipes. Now I've used it since 3 days now. This was the first day that I was trying it. As you guys can see, it does have a good amount of color, and you can see that the color does change when it hits my lips. Sadly for me, this lip balm did not work. It actually did the exact opposite. I do love the scent of this, but it's a horrible lip balm for me. My lips have started to peel. You see this? It's starting to layer up on my skin. Or if I go like this, I can feel my skin being loose. As if visible. My skin is coming off. So my lips are definitely peeling. And it's getting really patchy. For me, this is 100% no, but have you tried it? Let me know in the comments.